Great question. And actually, my very first customer, this was one of the reasons why he chose to do business with us. He was doing high-end remodelers, if I can speak here today, and he was having a hard time getting a response from his customers. And he's like, Ron, I feel like I'm a great communicator. I feel like I'm putting my best foot forward, but the customers aren't participating in that. And what we built is our software is completely web-based for you as the contractor and builder, but we have an app that the homeowner downloads. And with that comes push notifications. So how he was able to leverage it for his customers is to say, hey, when that notification comes through on the BuilderComs app, it's because I have a question that is about your project. I'm not one of your buddies reaching out wanting to have drinks after work. This is information I need to know. So if you could, in a timely fashion, respond back to me throughout the day when you see that notification go off. And as soon as he implemented it, he immediately saw a change. His customers started getting back to them because they had clarity on, hey, this is how we're going to communicate, and this is what it means when this happens. So then homeowners would start reaching out. So it upped his communication game. He was able to get those answers. Delays stopped happening because he was owner is we have channels of communication in there. So that homeowner always feels like they don't know who to reach out to. One of the things is the industry standard is, hey, sorry, I'm not the person. Let me get them and I will get back. And that's where the ball gets dropped. So within our platform, we make sure that customer is always reaching out to the right person, or at least feels like they are. So even if you're a one-man operation or 100-person operation, we make that customer feel like if they have a scheduling question, they're reaching out to the person that's in charge of that schedule. They're not reaching out to Mary, the receptionist. So they're not reaching out to the sales rep who's probably on to the next project by then and doesn't have the job specific questions. So we help empower that customer to reach out to the right person. And then that creates a timely response because it's no more anybody on either end trying to figure out what should be said, because we're going directly to the right source. So that's how we help with those two aspects of it.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. It's unique that when you have a specific channel for communication, like you said, it's not going to be on your text or your WhatsApp or Messenger or whatever, right? That you're going to get everyone else messaging on. When you get a message on, BuilderCom, hey, that's important. It's due to a project. It's, someone needs an answer, has a question or whatever right away. So very good distinction there for sure.